In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Tradingview chart to its default layout. This is a handy skill to perfect, especially if you've been experimenting with different settings and chart customizations but now wish to return to the default view. Tradingview is a powerful platform for traders who require in-depth chart analysis tools. But, as powerful as it is, there can be times when a fresh start feels necessary, and that's exactly what we'll be covering. Let's begin by opening your Tradingview platform. Whether you're using it on a desktop or accessing it through a mobile device, the method remains quite similar. Once you've navigated to your chart of choice, take a moment to look over your current layout. You might have added various studies, indicators, or even changed the chart styles. All these personalized tweaks can sometimes make the chart appear cluttered. So, resetting to the default layout is a simple yet effective way to clear out all the adjustments. Once you're on your chart, head over to the toolbar located at the top of the screen. It contains various options and tools for customizing and saving your layouts. We're going to focus on the theme and layout settings. Look for the icon that represents layouts, often denoted by squares or boxes that might look like windows stacked together. Click on the Layouts icon to bring up additional options. This is where you'll find an option typically labeled as Load Layout or something similar, depending on the version of Tradingview you are using. It might be good to know that if you have saved any personal layouts, you would find them here. But since our goal is to reset to the default, what we need to do is look for an option that says Open User Defined Default. Selecting this will reset your current chart back to the platform's default settings. If you've made several changes and are unsure what classifies as default, fear not. The default layout is the basic template provided by Tradingview before any personal modifications are done. It's the clean slate where the background, grids, and just the primary chart, usually without any added indicators, are visible. It's important to note that, by resetting to default, any unsaved modifications will be lost. If you have customized settings that you might want to go back to later, consider saving your current layout under a different name before you proceed. This way, you won't lose anything vital. In conclusion, resetting your Tradingview chart is a straightforward process that can really help when needing a fresh perspective on your Tradingview. Whether it's about cleaning up visual clutter or just starting anew with chart setups, this can be a very useful technique. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps improve your Tradingview experience.